everybody, welcome back to my channel. This video of course is part of Vlogmas. I have been pre-filming a lot of videos because I want to make sure that I have a video for all the days that I will be uploading for Vlogmas this year. So today I have a very exciting unboxing. I literally just got this in the mail today, and today is Sunday, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. I haven't done a Christmas planner in a while. Like, I have decorated my planner for Christmas or do a little theme, but never like do a Christmas planner, so I am very excited. All right, so this is very pretty. Look at that paper and this sticker. Spread a little holiday magic. How cute. You guys, this paper, I used to keep this but then I mean you can't just keep everything, right? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at this. So many things. All right, so I'm going to kind of separate everything in here to make it easier, I guess, to show you all everything. So in here we have this cute card. Spread some holiday cheer. Oh yeah, and in here we have everything that's coming in this box. Very pretty. I can't believe I was able to score one of these because I could never. All right, so I'm gonna start out with the washi. All right, so first we have this washi, really pretty washi. That's cute. I don't have anything like that. Then we have this one. Spread some happy today. How cute. And we have this one, which I think I own one like this. I don't know, I think so. Really cute. Then we get some tags. I honestly didn't know what I was getting here. I didn't even know they had a Christmas box in the Happy Planner, so this is all like a big surprise for me. Happy things inside. Oh, this is pretty. I can happy holidays. I can use this for my gifts. Really cute. Let me keep this one here just for the aesthetics. Anyways, next we got spread kindness. I feel like this is one big vinyl sticker, like one of those big stickers. Yep, I think so. Yep, it is. Really cute. Next we got some cards. Really nice. Fun fact, this year we did the Christmas family cards very early. I was not doing like every other year that I always forget or I'm always too late. So, well, they're all different. Okay, so we have this one. Happy holidays, and jingle mingle. How cute. And we even get the little envelope. That's very nice and thoughtful. Ooh, cute. So then we have some discs. These are metallic green, which I do not own. And let me see if I can open this. All right, so here are the discs. How cute. I love this. This is very pretty, you guys. I'm sure you all have seen them and probably own them, but not me. I didn't. Next we got the sticker book. All right, so I'm gonna flip through this really quick because I want to keep this all in one video. But here's the sticker book. I did not know I was getting a sticker book, so I am very happy right now. All right. Alright, so here's the page. I feel like we're getting some fall goodness in here. Okay. How cute. I love this red. Pretty. Love. Oh my god. You guys, I am obsessed with gingerbread houses and gingerbread men this year. I don't know why, but I'm really loving this. All right, so that is it for the sticker book. And now we get, now for the main event. For the main event, I am very excited for this. So also in here I have some, oh, this is cool. Okay, so this is not a planner, this is a notebook, but oh my goodness, I love this. So excited, you guys. I love my passion planner, but there's just something about the classic size planners that just I am nostalgic right now. This is so pretty. It makes me want to go back. Also, I love the red discs. I don't have that. All right, let's do this. Right, it says lined layout. All right, how cute. Oh, so I guess this is starting in like Thanksgiving. Oh yeah, it's so okay, first of all, okay, let me relax. First of all, I like that this is double-sided. I really like that. It starts on like fall, like Thanksgiving, so you can start doing your Thanksgiving prepping. But I don't mind, I can use that for next year. Here are the lined pages, really pretty. They have stars on the inside. Oops. All right, then we get this page that, yeah, this is the Christmas section already, winter section. Again, loving the double-sided pattern, super cute. And in here the pages are the same, and then it says New Year, fresh start. Oh, look at this, how cute. Love her pink hair. So that is very simple. You can just decorate it however you like, which I really love. And we get some papers, some pages here. Alright, so here we get some stocking stuffer ideas. Is this the same? Okay, let me see if these are all the same. Okay, so in here we get this ones that say stocking stuffer ideas, and on the other side we get the gift list for what, where, which I don't need to have that big of a list, but it's nice to have it for all the years to come. Really nice. I really like this. Then we have these lined pages as well. These are really pretty, but these I feel like they're more like fall pages. That makes sense. Really pretty. I wish I would have had this since Thanksgiving, because then I would have used it ahead of time. But you guys, you get so much for the money. I really like this box. Thank you all for watching. I will be leaving a link on the description. This video is not sponsored whatsoever. I just like to share what I like. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time for another video. Bye.